In this video, we're going to go over how to add the RB2B script to your Wix website. So there's two ways to do this. You can do it through Google Tag Manager. So if you already have Google Tag Manager installed on your Wix website, you can add the RB2B script to Google Tag Manager. And I'll leave a video for how to do that in the description. Just takes a couple minutes and is easy to do. And then if you're not using Google Tag Manager on your Wix website, I'm going to show you now how to add the script using the custom code. It's very simple to do this, so let's jump into it. So first, you're going to log into your RB2B account and you're going to go to the scripts section. If you haven't already added your domain, you're going to do that here. So I'm going to click add domain and I'm going to add in the domain that we're going to add the script to, and then I'll click save. Now we're going to go to the view scripts section. This is the script that we're going to add to our Wix website. So we're going to click view HTML code. And I'll click that, and then we're going to click copy code. So we'll copy that script. Then you're going to log into your Wix account and you're going to go to the settings section. Then you're going to scroll down to where it says advanced and look for custom code. So we'll click custom code here. And then we're going to click add custom code. And then in the code section at the top, we're going to paste in the code we copy from our RB2B account. And then we're going to give this a name. So I'll call it RB2B script. And then we want this to load on all our pages. You can choose specific pages, but it's great if you have the code on all your pages so you can get more data. And then we're going to change it from load code once to load code on each new page. That's going to help you get more data. So we'll select that. And then we want to add this to the head section of our code. So we'll keep the head section selected. Then we'll click apply. So you can see here the RB2B script has been added. Then we're going to go back into our RB2B account and we're going to go back and click the script section, and then we're going to click test script. So that just pulled up a separate window to verify that the script was added and the status went to verified. So you're all set. If it still says unverified, give it 5 or 10 minutes and retest it again. Sometimes there's a little bit of a delay. If you have any issues with that, please put them in the comment section and I'd be happy to help you out there. Thanks for watching and have a great day.